आप जीविका के लिए क्या करते हैं? What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? केवल यही एक चीज़ है जो हम में समान है, मतलब सिर्फ यही चीज़ है जो हम दोनों के अंदर सेम है। This is the only thing we have in common. This is the only thing we have in common. आप मेरे बारे में और क्या जानना चाहते हैं? What else do you want to know about me? What else do you want to know about me? मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि आप ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं। I don't understand why you are doing this. I don't understand why you are doing this. समझने की कोशिश करो। Try to understand. Try to understand. आज इतनी जल्दी क्यों निकल रहे हो? Why are you leaving so early today? Why are you leaving so early today? क्या तुम आज शाम को जल्दी आ सकते हो? Can you come early in the evening today? Can you come early in the evening today? मेरे पास तुम्हारे लिए एक आश्चर्यजनक बात है। I have a surprise for you. I have a surprise for you. ऐसा वादा ना करें जिसे आप निभा नहीं सकते। Don't make a promise that you can't keep. Don't make a promise that you can't keep. मैं घर के रास्ते में हूँ। I am on my way home. I am on my way home. क्या आप चाहते हैं कि मैं कुछ लेके आऊँ? Do you want me to bring something? Do you want me to bring something? मैं अभी इसके बारे में सोच रहा हूँ। I am just thinking about it. I am just thinking about it. आज मैं अपने एक पुराने मित्र से मिला। Today I came across one of my old friends. Today I came across one of my old friends. हम बहुत दिनों बाद मिले। We met after a long time. We met after a long time. मुझे लगा कि वह थोड़ी परेशान है। I felt she was a little bit upset. I felt she was a little bit upset. उसके परिवार में कुछ मुद्दे हो सकते हैं, मतलब हो सकता है कि उसकी फैमिली में कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हो, कुछ इश्यूज़ हो। There might be some issues in her family. There might be some issues in her family. मैं सारे दिन घर के काम करती रहती हूँ। I keep doing housework all day. I keep doing housework all day. मैं कई बार बहुत थक जाती हूँ। I feel extremely tired sometimes. I feel extremely tired sometimes. मैं इसे और नहीं कर सकता या मैं अब इसे और ज़्यादा कंटिन्यू नहीं कर सकता। I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore. मैं बाज़ार जाना चाहता था लेकिन मैं नहीं जा सका। I wanted to go to the market but I could not. I wanted to go to the market, but I could not. मेरी बहन कल हमसे मिलने आ सकती है. My sister might visit us tomorrow. My sister might visit us tomorrow. इसके लिए हमें तैयारी करनी होगी. We will have to prepare for that. We will have to prepare for that. मैं कैसा दिखता हूँ? How do I look? How do I look? क्या ये ड्रेस मुझ पर सूट करती है? Does this dress suit me? Does this dress suit me? मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप मन लगाकर पढ़ाई करें. I want you to study hard. I want you to study hard. क्या आप मेरे साथ आना चाहते हैं? Do you want to come with me? Do you want to come with me? तुम क्या खरीदना चाहते हो? What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? मैं इसे अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता. I can't afford it. I can't afford it. यह दिन की शुरुआत करने का एक शानदार तरीका है. This is an excellent way to begin the day. This is an excellent way to begin the day. तुम्हें कैसे पता? How do you know that? How do you know that? मैं इसे अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ. I know it very well. I know it very well. मुझे पता था कि वह नहीं आएगा. I knew that he would not come. I knew that he would not come. तुम जा रहे हो या नहीं? Are you going or not? Are you going or not? चिंता मत करो, आपको इसकी आदत हो जाएगी. Don't worry, you will get used to it. Don't worry, you will get used to it. अंग्रेजी सीखना उतना मुश्किल नहीं है. Learning English is not that difficult. Learning English is not that difficult. तुम ऐसा क्यों करना चाहते हो? Why do you want to do this? Why do you want to do this? क्या तुम सच में जानना चाहते हो? Do you really want to know? Do you really want to know? क्या मुझे आपको याद दिलाने की ज़रूरत है? Do I need to remind you? Do I need to remind you? जाओ और अपने बाल कटवाओ. Go and get your hair cut. Go and get your hair cut. ये क्यों लाए हो? Why did you bring this? Why did you bring this? अगर मुझे इसकी आवश्यकता होगी तो मैं आपको बताऊंगा. I will tell you if I need it. I will tell you if I need it. सोचो और जल्दी बताओ. Think and tell me quickly. Think and tell me quickly. मुझे पढ़ना पसंद है. I like reading. I like reading. अपना समय बर्बाद मत करो, जाओ और कुछ करो. Don't waste your time. Go and do something. Don't waste your time. Go and do something. कुछ उचित कहो, मतलब कुछ काम की बात कहो. Say something reasonable. Say something reasonable. आप मुझे क्यों घूर रहे हैं? Why are you staring at me? Why are you staring at me? क्या आप कृपया यहाँ आ सकते हैं? Can you please come here? Can you please come here? मैं आपको कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ. I want to tell you something. I want to tell you something.